Sue is one of the smartest students in her school, but the only problem is that she seems getting some trouble with her writing. Will she need someone to help her? And who is going to help her? Okay, let's find out together.
Jake, I think I'm done trying to write. I just can't do it.
What happened, Sue? You were excited about writing last week.
I was, but now every time I start, I freeze. My mind goes blank, then I lose focus. I just stare at the screen.
I know that feeling. Writing can be hard when your thoughts are too loud or too empty.
Exactly. My ideas feel messy. I don't know where to begin.
That's okay. Everyone starts there. Writing isn't about being perfect. It's about finding your voice.
I don't even think I have a voice.
You do, Sue. You just haven't listened to it yet.
Really? You think so?
Absolutely. You just need some techniques to help you focus and express yourself.
Techniques?
Yeah, little steps. We'll work through them together.
Okay, Coach Jake. Let's start.
Let's start with something simple. Free writing.
Free writing?
It means writing without thinking too much. You just write anything that comes to your mind for 5 minutes. No grammar rules, no editing.
Anything? Even nonsense?
Especially nonsense. The goal is to keep your hand moving.
That sounds scary.
It's like cleaning a messy room. You start somewhere, and soon you'll find what matters.
Okay, I'll try. I wrote about a penguin that loves coffee.
See? You already created something funny and original.
It's silly, but it felt good to write without worrying.
That's the power of free writing. It breaks fear.
So I should do this every day?
Yes, just 5 to 10 minutes. Think of it as warming up your mind.
I still have trouble focusing. Even when I start writing, I get distracted so easily.
Let's talk about your environment. Where do you usually write?
In my room, but my phone keeps buzzing and my cat walks on my keyboard.
Classic writer's life. You need a writing space, a calm corner just for writing.
Like this cafe?
Exactly. Somewhere peaceful where your brain knows it's time to write.
And no phone?
Airplane mode is your new best friend.
Okay, that makes sense.
And remember to set a timer. Write for just 20 minutes, then rest.
Short focus time. Got it.
You're training your attention, just like a muscle.
I guess I've been asking too much from myself at once.
You don't climb a mountain in one jump, Sue. You take small steps.
You always say good writers read a lot. But when I read, I just get sleepy.
Then you might be reading the wrong things.
Maybe.
Read what inspires you, not what others tell you to read. Even song lyrics or short stories can help.
So it doesn't have to be big books?
Not at all. Reading builds your word sense, how words sound, how they connect.
Like how music builds your ear.
Exactly. You can even copy short sentences you like into a notebook.
Copy? Isn't that cheating?
No, it's learning. You're studying rhythm, style, and emotion.
I like that. Maybe I'll start a beautiful sentences journal.
That's a great idea. You'll start to notice patterns and vocabulary naturally.
Sometimes I want to write stories, but I get lost halfway.
That's because you start without a plan.
Plan?
Yep. Before you write, make a simple outline.
Outline? Like a list?
Exactly. For example, who is the main character? What do they want? What problem do they face? How do they solve it?
That sounds doable.
Outlines don't kill creativity, They guide it.
Like a map for my brain.
Right. And once you have a map, you can take fun detours.
So, plan first, write second.
You got it.
I always feel my words are boring. I use good, nice, bad, over and over.
That's normal. Let's grow your vocabulary slowly.
Slowly?
Yes, don't memorize long lists. Instead, learn words in context.
How?
When you read or hear a new word, write the word, the meaning in your own words, one example sentence.
Like curious, wanting to learn. Example, I am curious about space.
Perfect. And when you write, use one new word each day.
Just one?
One is enough. Small steps, remember?
Okay, 1 word a day. I can do that. I always hate rereading my work. It feels awful.
That's because you're expecting it to be perfect on the first try.
I am.
Writing is rewriting. The first draft is only a beginning.
But when I see mistakes, I feel hesitated.
Mistakes mean you tried. Every writer rewrites, even famous authors.
Really?
Of course. Let me show you a trick. When you finish writing, walk away. Then come back later with fresh eyes.
Fresh eyes?
Yeah, you'll notice what needs fixing without feeling emotional.
That sounds kinder.
It is. Editing is self-kindness, not punishment.
You keep saying, find your voice. What does that even mean?
Your voice is how you sound on the page, your unique way of thinking and feeling.
But I don't think I have one.
Everyone has one. It's hidden under fear.
Fear.
Fear of judgment. You're scared people won't like your words.
Maybe.
But writing is about truth, not perfection. When you write from your heart, readers feel it.
So, I should write what I really feel?
Yes, even if it's messy, even if it hurts a little.
That's scary.
The best stories start from brave hearts.
You make it sound beautiful.
Because it is. Writing is your voice saying, I'm here.
I think I understand the techniques, but I forget to practice.
Then it's time to build a routine.
Like, writing every day?
Not hours, just 15 to 20 minutes. Make it part of your day, like brushing your teeth.
My brain will hate me at first.
Maybe, but after 2 weeks, it'll expect it.
So, I should choose a time and keep it.
Yes, and reward yourself. A little chocolate, a walk, or a song after writing.
That's motivation.
Exactly. Make it fun. Don't make it punishment.
Okay. Writing time every night, 8 p.m. Sharp.
I'll check on you.
You would. You know, I still feel scared sometimes.
That's okay. Everyone feels that way before they grow.
I used to think writing was for smart people only.
Writing is for honest people, not smart ones.
I like that.
Promise me something.
What?
Don't stop writing, even when it feels hard, even if it's one line.
I promise.
Good. You're a writer, Sue. Not because you're perfect, but because you care about words.
Thank you, Jake. Really.
Anytime. Now, show me what that coffee-loving penguin writes next.
Maybe his diary.